Download LG ThinkU app from Play Store and open it and sign in with your Google, or you can sign in with your email ID or password and click on accept all. Complete the sign up process. You can also add your phone number if you want. Now the setup has been completed, and this is the home page of LG ThinkU app. Now you can add devices. Now I'm adding washing machine front load. Just click on washer, click on front load washer. We have two options here. You can just scan the QR on the washing machine, or you can also go without QR. I'm selecting add device without QR. Now you need to connect your Wi-Fi. Just select the Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Select your front load washer, the type of washing machine, and now follow the instructions to turn on the Wi-Fi on washing machine. Just press and hold the Wi-Fi button for 3 seconds. I'm just selecting the Wi-Fi button, press and hold for 3 seconds. Then the Wi-Fi will be turned on. Now the Wi-Fi has been connected to washing machine. Just click on done. Now connect your smartphone to washing machine. Click on settings and select the device, LG Smart Laundry. Now the setup has been completed. You can also give the nickname to your washing machine. Now you can control your washing machine with your mobile. You can just access the useful features. You can also change the washing modes: cotton, quick 30, easy care. Before that, you have to turn on your remote. For that, you need to go to the washing machine and click on the remote start and press and hold the button for 3 seconds. Just go to the remote start and press and hold the button for 3 seconds. Now the remote will be turned on. Now the remote is turned on. Now you can control the washing machine with your mobile. You can just select the washing mode, and you can also change the temperature. You can also change the washing type and everything. After selecting, just click on start. We just selected the quick 30 and the washing machine turned on, and it is in the quick 30 mode. And this is how you can control your LG washing machine with the LG ThinkU app in your mobile.